Hello, curious explorers! Today, we're embarking on a sensory symphony here at ToddlerEd, where we'll use our amazing sense of touch to discover different textures. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Let's dive right in and feel the magic of textures. Look at this soft, fluffy pillow! Can you touch it and tell me how it feels? That's right! It's so soft and cuddly, just like a cloud. Great job, explorers! Now, what do we have here? Let's explore these different textures. This feels rough and scratchy. Can you try touching it gently? Whoa, that's so rough! Now, let's try something different. Look, bubble wrap. What do you think this feels like? Pop, pop, pop! It's so smooth and makes such a fun sound, doesn't it? Great exploring, everyone! Oh, what do we have here? It's time for some squishy fun. Can you feel how squishy and slippery this spaghetti is? Spaghetti squishiness. Now let's check out this jelly. How wobbly and wiggly does it feel? Wiggle, jiggle. That's so wobbly and fun. Now who's ready for some slimy excitement? Squish it and see how stretchy it is. Slimy and stretchy. What an adventure exploring all these different textures. You're all fantastic explorers. Well, explorers, it's time to wrap up our sensory symphony today here at ToddlerEd. But remember, the world is full of textures waiting to be discovered. And that's a wrap on our sensory symphony adventure. Remember, with your amazing sense of touch, you can discover a world of textures. Until next time, keep exploring and feeling, little explorers.